Alright, so today I'm just going to talk about my water system, go over the minor things going on here, plus some of the major flaws it may or may not have. So, got this 20-gallon tank off of Amazon, which got the fill neck. I also got the neck on the outside from Amazon. Vent line from the back out of the top goes to the filler neck. It goes right above. The lower one got like a 6-inch 3/8 hose going into a 3-gallon per minute 40 psi diaphragm pump, also from Amazon. On the outlet of this, I have a 30-inch faucet pipe that I got from Home Depot. 30-inch faucet pipe goes straight up to the bottom of the faucet. Now only one side of the faucet's hooked up right now. The other side needs a cap. If you open the wrong faucet, the one without the cap, the water only drains from the faucet head. It doesn't flow out constantly, but it will drip about an ounce of water out. So we need to get a cap on that. From there, this is being powered by the battery just behind it. The batteries ran up through a main switch as well as a secondary switch, so I can have no water or I can have water. I can turn the switch on and decide which, and that's just run up through a hole. So the wiring comes up through the backside, goes over into the switch panel. The switch panel, I can turn on all the lights. I can turn on and off the water pressure, which would be the water pump. Now this is a marine thing, so it has marine names on it, but we're going to use it in a camper RV, so we're going to have these names. So water pressure. Now a design flaw that I do have is that there's no accumulator, so the water does pulsate. Eventually I'll plumb in a accumulator on the discharge side. So there's our water pressure. If you turn it on slow, there's not as much pulsation, but you're not relieving as much pressure. You go full flow, it pulsates because it's a diaphragm pump. This is 3 gallons a minute at 40 psi. But once I get the accumulator, everything will be better. I always camp off-road, so my drain just goes straight out onto the ground. So when I'm operating the water pump, it just drains out of the side. So that is the RV right now. Got fenders on finally. There's the water fill neck here. The water drain. Fenders, toolbox, window. Got a roof rack up there now.